Hey guys, Derrek here with the Closet Doctor. I have my bifocal glasses on, and that's why I look stupid like this. Let me take those off. Hey, I just realized that. Hey, Derrek here with the Closet Doctor, and I don't know you guys, if you watch any of my videos, you know that I just like making things better and improving stuff. So I'm out here the other day, and I'm changing bags on the dust collector, and dust collectors suck. They make a mess. They literally suck, and they also make a mess. And let me show you what I got going on. And this is a 3-level improvement because it's been bugging me all week. So when you change these bags, inevitably you get sawdust on the ground. Sometimes the bags get a hole in them and they blow dust back there. When you're undoing it, it puts dust down there. So my first improvement was, I'm like, why don't we have a broom and a dust pan at the dust collector? I mean, that's the dumbest thing ever, not to have it. Got to walk all the way over to the broom station over there. And so I brought out a magnet with a hook on it for the dustpan, and I've got the broom here. And then I said, you know what, this would be a lot easier, instead of trying to sweep this all up, that we could vacuum it up. So I went out to the back to the dust collection pile, and I found a hose, and I found a shut-off valve, and we've cut that at an angle, and I'm getting ready to cut the hole out with the plasma cutter, and then I'm going to bring the welder over. I'm going to weld this on. This is the removable piece that goes between the main ducting so that if you need access to the fan, and I'm gonna have a vacuum right here. So stay tuned, I'll get that all fixed up. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some of the finest TIG welding known to man in another video that I'll copy from somebody else, because this ain't it, but here's what we've got. So we welded this splice in. I'm gonna go hook it back up on the dust collector, and we're gonna test it out. Probably got a few leaks in here, and so I'm gonna use what duct tape was invented for, was for duct, and this is ducting, so we're gonna duct tape it up, and I'll show you the finished results.